now, let's assume that this machinist turned machine shop owner owns their building, and let's say they're doing really well in the machining business and they're starting to make a lot of money. A lot of these guys, listen, if you run a tight, profitable business and you've got a lot of customers and you're turning parts and, you're profitable at the end of the year, what is your CPA going to tell you? What is the accountant going to tell you? Accountant is going to tell you, go out and find write-offs. Find write-offs so you don't have to pay tax on all that revenue. And what's the best write-off?